How to blur background of photo on iPhone. To blur the background of photos on your iPhone, you first need to open up the Blur Photo application. Once you're in, tap on the Start from Photo button at the bottom of your screen. Then, select a photo from your gallery. After that, you will see many editing tools appear on the bottom panel of your screen. From here, you need to tap the Blur tools. Then, tap on the Blur Background tool from the bottom panel. As you can see, the background has been blurred automatically. You can adjust the intensity from here. Once you're satisfied with your result, tap on the tick mark over here. Now, save the blurred photo. Tap on Save in the top right corner. After that, you will have many share options. Tap on Other apps. Then, go to Save Image. There you go, you have successfully blurred the background of a photo on your iPhone.